Hi Pisces, this is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So, for today's video, alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari, gabay, mensahe ng tarot cards for Pisces sa araw na ito, okay? Reminder lang Pisces na ito ay general reading po, so pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi, okay? And this is a timeless reading, so kahit anong araw, buwan o taon mo ito napanood, pag mag-resonate po sa reading natin ngayon and sa mga sitwasyon na nangyayari sa buhay niyo po, take nyo lang kung mag-resonate again. Pag hindi, wag pong ipilit, okay? And ang ating channel ay welcome po ang lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, and LGBT man, yung mga taong nanonood, yung mga Pisces na nanonood ngayon, or yung mga taong dinidil nila, okay? And this is a vice versa energy, so depende po kung saan po mag-resonate. Okay, so ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari, gabay, mensahe ng tarot cards for Pisces sa araw na ito. Ano po ang mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces? Oh, wow! 9 of Pentacles and the High Priestess. Wow! So, you have to trust your intuition, Pisces, and at the same time, you have to attract abundance. You have to think positive. You have to think happiness, okay? Para yun yung ma-attract mo, yun yung lumapit sa'yo. Kasi meron tayo ditong the High Priestess. This card kasi represents as something na gut feeling, intuition, the stories both sides, okay? Kumbaga parang, alam mo, pasensya na po kung meron po kayo naririnig ng mga background noises po, okay? So, sa nararamdaman ko, every situation in your life, dapat, kumbaga, mas pairalin mo yung wisdom mo, mas pairalin mo yung, kumbaga, hindi lang sa emosyon, kundi sa intellectual, okay? What I mean is, dapat balance. You have to balance the emotion and your mindset, Pisces, para makagawa ka ng decision na nararapat sa'yo. And, as I said kanina, you have to attract, you have to control your mind, you have to control yourself, and try to attract happiness. Try to attract positivities, try to attract abundance, okay? Kahit anumang mga sitwasyon na nangyayari alam mo yun, sa paligid natin, you can control that kind of situation, pero ang makokontrol mo lang is yung sarili mo, okay? So, para para lumapit sa iyo yung mga magagandang bagay, yun yung isipin mo, okay? Pwedeng there's instances in your life, Pisces, na pwedeng prone ka sa overthinking. Pwede madalas ka mag-overthink kasi meron tayo ditong mostly mental situation, okay? Mental connection, more on thinking, okay? So, pwedeng nag-overthink ka, Pisces, and try to think, again, positivities, happiness, para yun yung dumating sa'yo, okay? And yes, Queen of Cups, emotion. Ikaw to, Pisces. Meron tayo ditong mental thinking connection and there's emotion connection. Okay, as I said kanina, kailangan mo maging balance. Whatever happens, whatever the situation in life, you have to balance. Okay, kumbaga, maging matured and maging mas open-minded pa. Okay? Para hindi ka maunahan ng emosyon mo, hindi mo pagsisihan yung mga na-decisionan mo, nagawa mong decision because of your emotion that time. Okay? Or kung ano man yung nangyari, kunwari masaya kayo, okay? Nakakapagbigay ka ng emosyon na kalaunan parang, ay sana hindi ko sinabi yun. Okay? So, you have to control your emotion, you have to control your mindset, Pisces. And there's a big possibility of you can attract abundance, you can attract everything you want, okay? 9 of Pentacles, okay? So, ano pa po ang message po for Pisces sa araw na ito? Oh, the Magician and the Hierophant. Yes, mostly Pisces, mostly thinking and emotion. Nakikita nyo, there's an attraction. The Magician, there's a manifesting. Okay, so, para lumapit, actually paulit-ulit ko lang sinabi, eh, kasi sa tatlong cards pala nandito, ito yung parang main cards natin, and ito yung mga clarifications. Ito si The Magician and the Hierophant. Parang sa tatlong cards na nandito, naging ano siya, ito yung parang naging buod, okay, summarize. The Magician, which is manifesting, okay, which is something na to attract something na gusto mo, mga bagay na gusto mo mangyari. And the Hierophant, mostly it means wisdom. Okay? So, yun nga sabi ko, you have to be matured enough, you have to be open-minded, okay? Kumbaga, i-balance yung emotion and yung mindset for you to attract abundance, for you to attract positivities, for you to attract uh, important things in life, important situation in life, Pisces. Okay? Kasi, alam mo yun, kung ano yung iniisip mo, yun yung nangyayari. Okay? Pwedeng napansin mo to o hindi. Kaya, isipin mo araw-araw, every time, maging masaya, lahat ng mga magagandang bagay mangyayari sa'yo, mga magagandang sitwasyon mangyayari sa'yo, para yun yung lumapit. Okay? Yun yung posibleng ma-attract mo, Pisces. Okay? So, sa 5 cards natin dito, yun yung bottom of the reading. Attract happiness, Pisces. Attract abundance. And, balance your mindset and your emotion. Bottom of the deck is 3 of Swords. Actually, naka-reverse siya. Pero, hindi tayo gumagawa ng reverse. Okay? Oh, wow. 2 of Cups. Oh. Okay. So, yes, there's a big possibility of happiness pwede din happiness, okay? Kasi sinasabi ko yun kanina. So, oh, okay, okay, okay. So, basahin natin to. Basahin natin tong tatlong bottom of the deck natin. Pero dahil nakikita natin siya, so basahin natin, okay? So, ang unang lumabas is 3 of Swords. Actually, naka-reverse siya, pero dahil nga hindi tayo nagbabasa ng reverse card, so, instead na, to something na merong connection sa mga bagay, lalo na kung about sa love, kasi meron tayo ditong 2 of Cups, and meron pa tayo ditong marriage card, which is 4 of Wands, okay? So, pwedeng there's a big possibility, there's a big connection about love. Okay? Kasi madalas, as I said kanina, nag-overthink ka. And yung overthinking mo, Pisces, yun yung nag-cause sa'yo ng 3 of Swords. Nag-cause sa'yo ng heartache, nag-cause sa'yo ng anxiety, nag-cause sa'yo ng, alam mo yun, ng stress na, which is, iniisip mo pa naman, hindi naman siya nangyayari. Okay? Pero yun yung madalas mong iniisip, kaya parang naa-attract mo yung ganung vibe. Okay, so ang reading natin ngayon, again, inulit ko po, try to balance your emotion and try to balance your wisdom, your mindset, okay? And attract happiness, abundance, beautiful situation in life, which is the 9 of Pentacles and the Magician card, okay? Dahil sobrang gandang naghihintay sa'yo kung about man to sa love, kasi there's the marriage, Pisces. There's the marriage and there's a 2 of Cups, which is a destiny, twin flame, okay? And marriage card, which is a 4 of Wands. Okay, so pwedeng meron kang connection, merong nangyayari sa buhay mo, especially about love, Pisces, and wag mong i-self-sabotage yung pangyayari. Okay? Just go with the flow. Dahil sa bottom of the deck natin, unang lumabas tong si 3 of Swords, pero yung kasunod niya is magaganda na. 2 of Cups and 4 of Wands. Okay? So, again, inulit ko lang po. Try to attract abundance and happiness in life. Okay? Control your emotions, control your mindset, and be open-minded in all things. Okay? Pairalin yung, kumbaga, kalmadong sarili. Okay? Kalmado lang. Okay, wag hayaang makontrol ng emosyon, ng galit, ng sobrang kasiyahan, okay? And alam mo 'yun, just go with the flow, take it easy. And everything wonderful, beautiful situation, yun yung mangyayari sa'yo. Kasi yun yung nakalaan para sa'yo, Pisces. Lahat ng mga cards natin dito, sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda talaga. Okay, aside sa Three of Swords dito, pero yun yung darating sa'yo. So, wag mo hayaan na mawala yun because of overthinking, Pisces. Okay, just go with the flow. Hayaan mo kung para sa'yo, para sa'yo. And mga magagandang bagay, yun yung i-attract mo para yun yung mangyayari and yun yung lumapit sa'yo. Okay? So, yun lang po, Pisces, ang reading sa araw na ito. Naway nagustuhan niyo po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel. And click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin, okay? Thank you, Pisces, and God bless!